Good morning to each of you, my fellow science teachers, with your assets. As we move towards the opening of classes, I know that we are still in the process of recovery, or we are in the recovery period. Maybe there will be some would say, hey, ano naman, dugang naman na sa ato ng obra, dagdag naman na sa trabaho natin, another burden naman na adjustment naman. But as we went through this training, we got to appreciate the learning we gained from our able discussion, our beautiful, at aton nga very comprehensive. Palakpakan na rin natin si Ma'am Love Pagsaon. So, that's coming from me, kagaling na sa bottom of my heart. Ito, first time ko makabatian si Ma'am nga maghambal sina. Kag sa mag-discuss din. So, truly, I appreciate her. And I know your expertise has paved way to the realization that every difficulty will be an opportunity for us to grow. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
We always set challenge to adapt and embrace the constant change that comes along our way. The challenge to come out of our comfort zone, to help our teachers, to help our learners move. With that, I am proud and at the same time humbled to accept the challenges on behalf of our fellow science teachers. Together, we will build a strong network of educational opportunities to serve our clientele. And who's that? Our dearest learners. And yes, as teachers in science, mga ka-assets, we have ups and we also have downs. We have goods and we have bads. But we will get through them, all of it, and put the interest of our learners first. The learners of Deped Silay deserve no less. Let us all grab this opportunity that will help us improve our service to our learners. And whatever it is that a DepEd has required us to do, we will get the work done with quality. It is because we don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. So again, all together, my dear assets, science teachers, can we all stand up? Can we all stand, please? And then all say, all together, challenge accepted. Again, science teachers, mga ka-assets,
Challenge accepted.
one more time.
Challenge accepted.
Thank you very much. Good morning.